Hi guys, welcome to BCCA. This is Ravi Teja and I'm your faculty for Corporate Financial Reporting at CMA final level and Advanced Accounting at CA inter level as well. Guys, I am pretty much excited and proud enough to announce that we have already started CA inter regular batches. All the subjects have commenced simultaneously. So in this YouTube channel, with respect to each and every subject, videos will be keep on uploading continuously. So the reason why I am proud and excited is this is the reason why I have quit my corporate job only because to serve CA students, and I am exactly doing with that. So I am super happy, excited, whatnot, everything. So in this video, I can probably say that sir, most of the students are feeling advanced accounting is a little bit difficult. Sir, is it really that much difficult? Answer is no. It is because some problem is there at your foundation level. Foundation means your foundation for accounting is not that much good, which is making this advanced accounting a trickier subject. Reason I will explain. Ha, you may be in your class 12, you may have taken MEC or you may have taken MPC. If you have taken MPC, trust me, you are not that much good at this kind of accounting subject. Probably, maybe that is the only first time in your CA foundation you have known something about accounting. If you just mugged up at your CA foundation, trust me, that much mugging you can't do for this advanced accounting at CA Inter because it is not this much smaller thing. 32 chapters are there. 32 chapters are there, 27 standards and other chapters are also there. So approximately 32 chapters are there in this advanced accounting. You can't mug. That's all you can't do. Even if you are MEC student, for that matter, even if you know prior about accounts, I know how you will study at your accounts. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Giver, credit, receiver, debit. Like this, you will by heart that. So that by hearting will not work even here as well. Completely accounting is logical, and trust me, 99.99999% I will explain with the help of logic. This is my assurance. In case at any point of time, if you see me to ask you to mug the concepts, it is only in that point, not what 1%. Okay, but other than that, Aram say I will be explaining you the logic. If you understood logic, trust me, you are going to love this advanced accounting subject. And what I have decided to come up is, sir, why 90% fail in advanced accounts and how you will be in this 10%. This is my responsibility to keep you in this 10%. It is my responsibility. This series will contain total 6 episodes with a concluding common line for each episode. This concluding common line I will not reveal enough. It will be revealed in the coming episodes. Okay? Yes, sir. So the first episode number 1. Why most students fails in advanced accounts? I will explain in first video, first episode. Second episode, I will be explaining the top 10 mistakes in advanced accounts what the students are committing. Sir, and the tip number 3 or episode number 3, I will be covering a study strategy for rankers. If you are aiming to clear both the groups in the first attempt, and obviously I am wishing that you will be clearing the same. Sir, which strategy we have to follow? Episode number 4, I will be revealing CA Ravi's 3-step mastery. And sir, episode number 5, though, chapter wise basic clarity I will be providing, which means in each chapter, what are the minimum expected topics that a student should have a clarity about, that I will be explaining here. Point number 6, sir, what perfect guidance or coaching should look like. Okay? Yes, sir. Sir, in this regular batch for CA Inter, advanced accounts will be completed in 180 to 200 hours. 100% coverage of ICA study mat. Past exam questions as well as RTPs and MTPs also will be covered here. Okay? Sir, key highlights though. The first thing, I am here to build you concept. I will not make you to mug. Unless those are formats. Formats, we can't do anything, guys. But what we are writing or what we are doing, that is completely logical. Format though, yes, here and there you have to by heart. Logical teaching approach, I love this logical teaching. You can check my other videos as well. You can check my other videos. You may not be that much understanding about CMA final related subjects, but trust me, you have to trust me. That's it. Huh, you will do. I know that. Step by step problem solving approach. Since this is regular batch, I will be writing in the class along with you. So step by step, how exactly this will be helping in your presentation skills at your exam. Multiple revisions will be done in the class itself. Every day I will be revising whatever which have been discussed in the previous class for the first 5 minutes. And even at the end of today's class also, I will be revising for the 5 minutes. Dedicated doubt solving support. Okay. So these are a small highlights about this batch. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for this batch and make the best benefit out of it. And yeah, stay tuned for first episode. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, and wish you all the best.